Nĩ muthenya wa mbere wa guthurimwo kwa aria mendekithitio gutuika andiki Akaru ministry-ini ngurani na maundu ngurani ni meyumiririe. Dr Chris Kiptoo uria wendekithitio ministry-ini ya kigina ni uririo mitaratara iria akugathika ya kung'ethanira na ngarama ya iguru ya muturire iria igumire ya Kenya.
Tukwendaga ningi tumenye mibango iria nayo tuigue uria areciria uhoro wa kuhuthia muturire tondu ni muwe uria indo igite goro twamuria uhoro wa bei ya maguta na no tukwendaga kumenya muno uhoro wa kigina giki kia hustler fund.
Already efforts have been made to ensure that fertilizer that will be given to our farmers in the coming season will be subsidized from the current price of around 6,000 per bag. Farmers will be buying at around, will be getting it at around 2,500. That is an attempt by the government to ensure that cost of production is addressed, and I think that's how to address the issue of high cost of living.
Hamwe na uguo ni kugeire na ndereti yegie mubango wa thirikari ikurenga ciringi mbirioni 300 hari bajeti ya mwaka uyu niguo gucokaniriria mbeca cia mabataro matiganite ma utungata wa thirikari. Bunge makienda kumenya uria undu uyu gukinyanirio.
We may try to reduce the out of station meetings and we have the chairs going down.
No, at the National Treasury there will be measures even as we cut down this cost. They will always be relooking at some of the sectors that need to be supported. So on this, I can only say it is a short-term measure. It is not something that will last.
Bunge nigi ni macokereire ndereti ya kigina gia CDF makienda kumenya kana Dr Kiptoo ni agatuma kigina kiu kuri bunge angikorwo ni akuhetukio.
You are approved and appointed by President this week. By next week, Dr Kiptoo, are you going to release the funds to sort out a mess in the country in the education system?
I am aware that the National Treasury has, on the basis of the outcome of the Supreme Court, sought an opinion from the Attorney General on how to, whether to pay or not to pay, as you have asked. I am also aware that the Attorney General has not replied to the National Treasury. So I give my undertaking that as soon as I land National Treasury, I'm going to follow up with the Attorney General's office so that once we get that guidance, we take immediate action.
Kamiti-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Peter Tum uria wendekithitio gutuika mwandiki munene ni ang'etheirwo na ciuria citiganite. Umwe wa ciuria ni kiria kionekanite tari mutugo wa thibitari na arigitani kugonderera wira-ini wao na gucungiriria ikuo cia Kenya.
To what extent does your personal and work experience reflect to these principles?
During my call of duty, for the time I've worked for government, I have never involved myself in any
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.